are you doing, mother?
Songs that represent the apex of classic rock's first generation.
See the camera? See the camera? Come on, cunt. You want to go, stupid? You're on camera. You're on camera. You're on camera. I don't give a fuck, you on camera. Hit my car.
Good, how are you?
Good. You do understand it's a sidewalk, right?
You know it's against the law to ride on the sidewalk in the entire state of Georgia?
Yeah, but you ride in the middle of the street, impeding the traffic.
I would love for you to call your boss.
Mm-hmm.
It is against the law for anyone over the age of 12 to ride a bike on the sidewalk in the entire state of Georgia.
Okay.
I'd expect you to know that.
Okay.
3 feet law, car has to stay within 3 feet away from me. Why is there a
It's not a bike lane, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
You don't have to have a bike lane. I mean, I'm in all due respect, sir, you need to learn the law. Bike's place is on the road. The fact that you pulled me over really angers me. I have broke no law.
I understand.
I am obeying the law. Anybody gets within 3 feet of me, you're supposed to arrest. Not me.
I'm supposed to arrest somebody
for getting within. It's the 3 foot law.
No, nobody was within 3 feet of you.
No, what I'm saying is you don't even know that a bike's supposed to be on the road.
No, what I'm trying to tell you is you're slowing down the traffic.
It's not against the law. So there's no minimum speed on this road. The only road that there's a minimum speed on, the sign is posted, and it's 30 miles per hour less than the maximum speed. There is no law against going too slow on a road anywhere in Georgia.
Okay.
The fact that you pulled me over, I want your D. Davis. I'm gonna contact your boss.
Okay, that's fine.
Tell him that you should not be back out here until somebody has given you an education on Georgia state law. Why am I being pulled over? What law? What law? What law did I break?
Go! Get him! Get him! Yeah!